In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an offer on eBay. Whether you've made a mistake or simply changed your mind, withdrawing an offer on eBay is a straightforward process. Follow along to ensure you handle it smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your eBay account. Make sure you have your login details handy, as this will be the key to accessing all the features we'll need today. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on My eBay. This will open a drop-down menu where you should select bids or alt offers. This section houses all the offers you've made, allowing you to manage them easily. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to scan through your offers to locate the specific item you wish to cancel. Take your time here, as you want to ensure you're retracting the correct offer. Once you've identified it, click on View Offer Details. This will redirect you to the listing page for the item, where you'll have all the necessary information to move forward with your cancellation. When you're on the listing page, the next step is to find and click on Retract Your Offer. This option is usually easy to spot, but if you're having trouble, take a moment to scroll through the page carefully. Clicking this will lead you to a crucial step where you'll need to select a reason for your retraction from a drop-down menu. It's important to choose accurately here, as eBay keeps a record of these actions. Finally, with your reason selected, it's time to click Retract Offer. This final step confirms your intention to withdraw the offer, and upon completion you should receive a confirmation from eBay that your offer has been successfully retracted. Always double check to make sure your action went through, especially in case you need to take further steps or make a new offer. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to cancel an offer on eBay. It's always best to double check all details before making offers in the future, but it's reassuring to know that there's a way to retract them if necessary. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more practical eBay tips and tricks. Until next time, happy bidding.